creamy and green. B is for beetroot, a veggie so clean. C is for cabbage, crunchy and bright. D is for dragon fruit, a colorful sight.
E is for elderberry, tasty and sweet. F is for fennel, a fragrant treat. G is for grapes, in purple or red. H is for honeydew melon, juicy when spread.
I is for iceberg lettuce, crisp and light.
J is for ciabatta taba, small and tight.
K is for kale, so strong and bold. L is for lychee,
A fruit to behold. M is for mint, fresh and cool. N is for nectarine, nature's jewel. O is for okra, a veggie delight. P is for pineapple, tangy and bright. Q is for quince, a fruit so rare.
R is for raspberry,
Growing with care. S is for spinach, packed with might. T is for turnip, purple and white.
U is for ugly fruit, funny in name. V is for velvet apple, a fruit with fame. W is for walnuts, good for the brain.
X is for ximinia, a taste to explain. Y is for yams, orange and sweet. Z is for zucchini, a veggie to eat. Now we've sung from A to Z. Eating healthy is fun, you see. Learn.